This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Whoa! Check this out. Metal being printed like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Looks expensive? Impossible? Think again.
Seurat's mission is to change the world of manufacturing, disrupt age-old legacy manufacturing techniques that are emissions-heavy with one that is emissions-free.
For centuries, making metal parts has been a gritty, brutal process. Roaring furnaces, sparks flying, monstrous machines chewing through raw materials. Expensive, wasteful, and let's be real, killing the planet. Change the world of manufacturing using AI. That's a big statement, and they are aiming to do it by tackling those emissions-heavy legacy techniques.
There's a multi-trillion-dollar manufacturing market for metal parts today, if only your price points can get low enough.
Traditionally, this level of precision and detail in metal parts cost you a fortune and took ages. But Seurat, they're changing the game. They're aiming to make metal part production faster, cheaper, and incredibly cleaner. A multi-trillion-dollar market. He hits the key point. If only your price points can get low enough. That's the challenge Seurat is directly addressing. This isn't a lonely moonshot. NVIDIA is in. When tech giants start throwing their weight behind a revolution, you know it's not just hype.
It would take close to 4,000 years in order to model a single build from one of our printers.
4,000 years. That's longer than the entire history of civilization. Imagine running a single simulation that started when the pyramids were built, and it's still not finished today. Millennia to hours. That's not just faster. It's insane. They did it using NVIDIA AI hardware and AI models. So, what's the real-world impact? Think lighter cars, more fuel-efficient planes. Seurat's tech allows for incredibly lightweight, yet strong metal parts. In the automotive industry alone, shedding weight can have a massive impact.
You can take 30, maybe even 50% out in some cases.
30 to 50% weight reduction. Imagine the fuel savings and reduced emissions.
And you're quickly talking gigaton level of emissions reductions.
And those emission reductions are not just incremental, they're on a massive scale. Gigaton level. We're talking about a massive step towards a greener future, simply by making things lighter and more efficient.
It's really limited by our creativity, and what we're enabling is that creativity to be brought to life.
And it's not just about being eco-friendly. Seurat is unlocking a new era of design possibilities. Limited by our creativity. That's the exciting frontier. Seurat is pushing the boundaries of what we can even imagine, let alone manufacture. Seurat isn't just printing metal. They're printing the future of manufacturing. A future that's faster, cheaper, and cleaner. AI is flipping the entire manufacturing game on its head. You can watch from the sidelines or get in. Subscribe to AIX and stay dangerously ahead.